Hello friends. Today I'll show you how to remove background from any photo online. There are two methods on how to achieve this. Open your browser. For my case, I've already opened Chrome. Type the name of a topic in the search bar. Click on Images. Click Tools. On the color drop-down, click Transparent. Almost there, click on Image and it will pop up on your right. Right-click on it and click Save as Image. There you go, you have your PNG image without a background. You can also click on the Type drop-down and explore the options available. In your browser, search for BG Remove. Click on the first link. Tap Upload Image. Look for where you stored your image and click Select. Wait for a few seconds as the system removes the background. Easy. Click Download to get your background-free image. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.